I used to straight walk in into the CEO office, vice president office, or the zonal manager office, or the national sales manager office. People used to get scared, to be honest. People just want to complete their numbers. People want to have materialistic entertainment life. फ्राइडे दोपहर हो गया, शाम को किधर पार्टी करना है, किधर डांस बार जाना है, किधर क्या करना है, सैटरडे किधर बैठना है, संडे रिलैक्स आओ, मंडे आ जाओ, मंडे टू फ्राइडे काम करो, खत्म.
That's so true.
Those days परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आती तो बॉस घर पे बुला के प्यार से बात करेगा, भैया क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ऑफिस के केबिन में आके बात करेगा, 10 जन के सामने ह्यूमिलेट नहीं करेगा. यू हायर एंड फायर.
That's true.
दैट इज हाउ इट इज.
Welcome to the Padmavati Spiritual Podcast. I'm your host Saili, and today we are diving into something which is affecting millions of professionals across the globe. Corporate burnout, stress, and the complete transformation of work culture. So today we are having Dr. Subramaniam Krishnaswamy, also known as Subbu Krish. He is not just a Vedic astrologer, a Vastu expert, but also a healer and a corporate life coach who has counseled thousands of managers, executives, and professionals dealing with work stress and burnout. Welcome to the show, sir.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon.
It is very interesting to have this topic on corporate.
Yes.
And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
So the first question I would like to ask is, why is it so exponentially worse the situation of work culture? Because हमने देखा है कि पहले जब हमारे पेरेंट्स काम करते थे 20 years ago, it wasn't this worse. But अभी फिलहाल it is very exhausted. So why is it so? Can you explain?
See, I'll take the example. It is better to start with self-analysis.
Correct.
I have spent almost 39 years in corporate.
Oh, is it?
14 years international market.
Okay.
20 years into the Indian market. And last 11 years into spiritual. When we started off our work culture, we had our bosses, our frontline managers, our regional managers, our zonal managers, top management, everybody.
Right.
But we were not asked to go and work. हम लोग एक इनिशिएटिव लेके काम करते थे.
Okay.
अभी हमको बोलना नहीं पड़ता था, भाई बैग लेके सुबह बाहर निकलो, इतना इतना करना है, उतना इतना करना है करके, ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट था ही नहीं.
Exactly. Now we can see बहुत सारे टारगेट्स.
वो टाइम पे bosses were flexible enough. They knew the individual is responsible enough, accountable enough, and कुछ कैस्केड किया डायरेक्शंस, जाके करके आएंगे, इतना बॉस लोगों को भरोसा था.
True.
12 कॉल जाके करना है, मतलब 12 कॉल करके आते थे हम. बट उस हिसाब से ऑर्डर्स भी चाहिए, डीलर के पास जाके मंथली टारगेट भी करना, जो पेमेंट का है, ये सब एक प्रोएक्टिवनेस के साथ हम काम करते थे. एंड द टॉप बॉसेस का एक्सेसिबिलिटी भी वेरी स्मूथ था. एटलीस्ट टचवुड विथ मी, I used to straight walk in into the CEO office, vice president office, or the zonal manager office, or the national sales manager office. People used to get scared, to be honest.
Okay.
मैं बोला डर किस बात की यार, आप थोड़ी चोरी किया है या तो कुछ काम नहीं किया है, क्या है, काम करके आए हैं, ठीक है, रिजल्ट नहीं आया, फिर भी शान से जाओ ना. प्रॉब्लम बताओ कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. एटलीस्ट That weightage and that power we had those days.
Okay.
Today, what has happened is that ethics is completely washed out. There is no ethics at all. People just want to complete their numbers. People want to have materialistic entertainment life. फ्राइडे दोपहर हो गया, शाम को किधर पार्टी करना है, किधर डांस बार जाना है, किधर क्या करना है, सैटरडे किधर बैठना है, संडे रिलैक्स आओ, मंडे आ जाओ, मंडे टू फ्राइडे काम करो, खत्म.
That's so true.
If you ask today in any corporate, a 35 or a 40-year-old person or a 25-year-old individual, what is your accountability, what is your responsibility? That is none of my business. I am getting my salary, that is more important, and that's it.
Okay.
During our time, if it was field work, सुबह 9 बजे निकल जाते थे, शाम को कॉल्स हो गया, घर पे आ जाते थे. ना तो बॉस का प्रेशर, ना तो कंपनी का कॉल, ना तो कुछ टेलीफोन सब. वो जमाने में डायलिंग कॉल था. मोबाइल वगैरह सब 96 के बाद आया, 1996 के बाद. वो भी एक लग्जरी था 1996 के बाद. एवरीबडी couldn't afford till
Right.
2000 2004 तक everybody couldn't afford mobile.
Right.
96 when Hutchison launched its mobile Max Touch, that time the call rate was 16 rupees per minute.
Oh.
Incoming was 16, outgoing was 16. After that, there was some reduce from 4 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. It was 8 rupees, 8 rupees.
Okay.
Then after night 10 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock, it was 4 rupees incoming, 4 rupees outgoing.
Okay.
Text message was 4 rupees. That was the situation when mobiles were launched. And that time managers were allowed mobiles. So that pressure was not there कि घर में काम करके आने के बाद ना तो बॉस का कॉल, ना तो कंपनी से कॉल, ना तो कोई लेटर, ना तो कुछ ये. That was absolutely your day. Now what has happened is people are least interested. Pressure तो है ही है.
Exactly.
Top bosses, they don't have any pressure. They will just cascade it down. बंदा अगर काम नहीं किया, बंदा अगर टारगेट नहीं किया, पिंक स्लिप दे दिया, उनका काम हो गया.
Okay.
That is how the concept is now. That is how bosses work. Those days, परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आती तो बॉस घर पे बुला के प्यार से बात करेगा, भैया क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ऑफिस के केबिन में आके बात करेगा, 10 जन के सामने ह्यूमिलेट नहीं करेगा, 10 जन के सामने टॉपिक ही नहीं निकला. इफ परफॉर्मेंस वाज नॉट देयर ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, वी यूज्ड टू कोऑपरेट विथ आवर टीम मेंबर्स, वी यूज्ड टू हेल्प देम आउट एंड मेक देम परफॉर्म. Those days, I am talking about 25-30 years back. Now, performance का नाम ही नहीं है. It is all number game, manipulated.
Correct.
तो प्रेशर में दी डाउन एम्प्लॉय क्या हो जाता है, परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आया तो उसको मालूम पड़ जाता है 3 महीना 4 महीना ज्यादा से ज्यादा सस्टेन करेगा. उसके बाद कंपनी बोलेगा जयराम जी की. बॉस विल नेवर डिस्कस. Boss will not have an open forum of cascading what are the problems, where is the problem, why he is not performing, why she is not able to get the results. All those kinds of things is not happening now.
Absolutely.
You hire and fire.
That's true.
That is how it is. Even when our parents were working, as you said, जब अपने पेरेंट्स काम करते थे, जाके आते थे, शाम को अपना घर का काम देख के, फैमिली एटमॉस्फेयर था, एक माहौल था.
Yeah, it was
तो
a very
उससे
good
even though 7 days वर्क रहने के बावजूद भी संडे एक दिन मिलते था, that used to be spent with little bit of enjoyment and entertainment. आज के डेट पे all 7 days have become stressful.
Right.
I tried contacting several corporate companies. They don't want to spend on their Saturdays and Sundays for workshops.
Okay.
Monday to Friday, they say we are full of pressure, full of stress. Nobody has got the time. Everybody has got time. But they will show that they are the busiest people. People who don't pick up calls, people who don't reply, people who don't reciprocate, they are the laziest people.
Okay.
Any industry you take, people instantly ठीक है कॉल नहीं उठाया तो बिजी रहेगा तो कम से कम रिप्लाई तो करेगा कि आई विल कॉल यू बैक. इधर कैसा है, इधर न बिजी होते हुए भी रेसिप्रोकेट नहीं करेगा.
Not responding immediately.
There is no reciprocation, there is no responsibility.
Correct.
10 बार कॉल किया, 15 बार कॉल किया, इग्नोर करेगा, अवॉइड करेगा. That is how today the corporate world is.
So, what do you think, sir? Technology is the main reason to, for this drastic change.
Digital laptops, mobile phones, LED, whatever it is, everything has its own plus points, negative points.
Correct.
But human is there. Human is feeding the machine. And the machine is taking that feeding. तो ही डेटा उसमें बनती है ना. ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़ी लैपटॉप पे एंड कंप्यूटर में आप डेटा डालते हो वो अपने आप हो जाता है. वी हैव टू फीड इनटू इट.
Right.
एक्सेल शीट बननी पड़ती है, अपने पास लिस्ट रहना पड़ता है, उसको टाइप करके फीड करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
तो ये सब कुछ आती है उसमें. इवन हमारा भी कुंडली अगर किसी का देखना है, वास्तु अगर किसी का देखना है, तो कोई डिटेल्स रहेगा तो वो एक एप्लीकेशन रहती है. वो एप्लीकेशन डालने से ही अपने को सारा डिटेल्स मिलता है.
Right.
तो डिजिटल आने से ह्यूमन का माइंडसेट क्या हो गया है, मेरा एफर्ट्स कम करो, डिजिटल विल वर्क, which is not true. People have become irresponsible.
Okay.
When I came back from North Africa in the year 2016-17,
Okay.
back to India, I must have applied for 400 to 500 companies across India.
Oh God.
The best excuse I got is, you are 45, 46 years old. We cannot hire. We are a seasoned campaigner. We have got experienced people. If we hire you, that person will leave our company. So I was thinking, international market 45, 46 का अगर बंदा अगर काम कर रहा है तो एज बार नहीं है. इंडिया में अगर तुम 45 का एंड 46 का एज में तुम कट ऑफ करेगा तो बाकी 10 साल क्या करेगा वो?
Exactly.
How will he run the show? They didn't have this answer. I understood. People just want to have excuses. They don't want to hire skills, talents. Everything had lost its efficacy. It was all number game. Today, if you see in any company the HRD, they are the most hopeless people. Policy procedures, 90% of the people don't follow the policy procedures. It is all bias, favoritism, and gossips, and that's it. But industries feel HR is an important role. HR is what? HR is you have to help the employee perform.
Correct.
Whatever issues or whatever problems the employee is going through, it is your bounded duty to give him a correction plan.
Correct.
But HR today, they don't want to
They
get into
just-
all these
Exactly. They just take interviews and then they settle down.
interview, and then when it comes to termination, boss ने बोल दिया है ये पिंक स्लिप लो, आप घर पे जा सकते हो.
True.
So digital has its own advantages, disadvantages, but human tendency has changed a lot.
And I think this change has happened from the year 2020, lockdown again.
No, the change of the human tendency has happened after 2004-2005.
Okay. So how, like what?
See, till 2004-2005, people were like us, were there in the industry.
Correct.
We were working. Things were going little bit with systems. But the systems which were there, that all went down the drain after 2000-2008.
Okay.
It got worsened after 2010. Then lockdown came, 2020-21. Things again got worsened. The
Work from
home culture came in.
Correct.
Work from home, now people are saying that is giving us flexibility, adaptability and everything. But work from home, people are taking their own convenient time to reciprocate. People have no accountability, people have no responsibility. हफ्ते में एक बार ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, बस दैट्स इट. वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर की वजह से क्या हो गया है, इगोइज्म बढ़ गया, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो गया, रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज बढ़ गया. मेरा सैलरी इतना है, तुम्हारा सैलरी इतना है, that ego started.
Right.
And then after that the stress levels started increasing. Pressure tactics started increasing. मैं खाना बनाऊं या तुम खाना बनाओ, ये आपस में चालू हो गया. So a lot of friction started off after 2020.
Right.
There were so many layoffs, there were so many deaths happening in every family. So all these things burdened people who were really working with their efficacy and efforts. After 2020, a lot of restrictions came in. Companies started putting a lot of restrictions, companies started putting a lot of conditions. Insecurity, jobs were not available. People were spending almost 8 to 9 hours on Zoom meetings.
That's insane.
After lockdown.
Right.
During the lockdown.
During the lockdown.
And now what has happened is the email concept is already washed out. There is no emails now. It is all now WhatsApp or a phone call or a text message.
Right.
Even if any corporate meeting is there, even if you have got a cycle meeting, the boss will send at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, late night. That has to be looked into it and meeting is there. Video conferencing call or whatever is there, everything is through the link which has been sent. Now even reporting has also become through WhatsApp or links. हमारे जमाने में हम लिखते थे रिपोर्ट,
Register. Right.
ये डॉक्टर को इतना सैंपल दिया, ये डॉक्टर को इतना ये किया, इतना कस्टमर्स को विजिट किया, ये केमिस्ट के पास से इतना इतना ऑर्डर लिया. एक फ्लो था.
Correct.
There was a structure. Now structure is only namesake. But otherwise everything is you come, work. That's how the culture is.
So, sir, I would like to ask you from a Vastu perspective, like what things can be changed to, decrease the stress of the workplace?
See, I approached certain corporate companies. I told them we can have a free session on healing, on stress management. But the problem is, after constant follow-up also, the reciprocation was very poor.
Okay.
Now we have lot of motivational speakers, lot of coaches available in the industry.
Okay.
They all go for brand. So when it comes to brand value, the result is minimal.
Right.
That is what I have practically seen. But companies are ready to pay. They have got the power, they have got the money. But certain times, what I've seen is even these high profile motivational speakers and coaches also have got their own limitations.
Okay.
Knowledge wise, agreed. Their positivity, their negativity, their vibes, their energy level, it doesn't remain the same. Any person with clean aura, even midnight, 2 o'clock also, if he or she gets up, that person has to have the same energy what was there in the daytime.
Okay.
That is the reason I tell people, try getting up in the Brahma Muhurtas.
Around 3:15, right?
3:15 to 3:45 you get up. Don't do anything. Just put your headphones, listen to any kind of sloka, strotam, or any kind of meditational therapy.
Okay.
You lie in the bed, you put the headphones, let it continue for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour.
Okay.
I tell this people, and then you see the difference after 21 days.
So we have to do this for the 21 days.
No, you will see an automatic drastic change within 21 days.
Okay.
Even if I sleep at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock also, my eyes opens at 3:15, 3:20. Because I have to do my sadhana. I know
Okay.
if I don't do my sadhana, my energy will not be there. So if you want to have that energy, the spiritual aura, then you have to give your dedication.
Right.
Occult science is basically a passion. If you have got that passion, then only you can do it. If you are thinking, अरे आज सुबह उठ के मेरा दुकान में पैसा कितना आएगा, कस्टमर कितना आएगा, ये सोचेगा, occult science will backfire.
Right.
तुम्हारा ऑरा कितना क्लीन है, तुम्हारा एनर्जी लेवल कितना है, तुम्हारा वाइब्स कितना है, ये सामने वाला बताने से ही तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारा ग्रैटिट्यूड यूनिवर्स देगा.
So sir, how to change the lifestyle अगर हमें स्ट्रेस कम करना है? So what we have to do?
See, if you want to reduce your stress level, if you want to reduce your depression level, simple fundas are there. आज भी I can give you basic remedies. Morning, as I told, Brahma Muhurt में उठो. That is the best thing. If you cannot get up in the Brahma Muhurt, at least सुबह जब नहाने जाते हो, 1 fistful of rock salt पानी में डालो, नहाओ. 7 days के बाद you revert back and tell yourself how are you feeling. Otherwise, there are crystals as per your zodiac sign, as per your date of birth, as per the Vedic reading. We can suggest you certain crystals to wear. But crystals also, if you wear, you have to recharge all your crystals during full moon.
Okay, so how?
You have to keep a crystal bowl in front of the moon late evening. Put some raw milk into it. Keep all your crystals into it. Keep it for half an hour, 45 minutes. The crystals will automatically charge. If you don't charge your crystals, it is again a negativity.
Okay.
See, everything has got its lifespan.
Right.
अब खाली हाथ में पहनोगे, आप बोलोगे हाँ मेरा काम कर रहा है. इसको भी एक रिसाइकल करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
So crystals also has to be recharged. Then only it will have its efficacy, its benefits, its results. The major drawback what people are doing today is they are not ready to speak up. हमारे जमाने में हम एक्सेसिबल थे हमारे बॉस को बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि कॉन्फिडेंस था, काम करते थे, घर पे नहीं बैठते थे।
करेक्ट।
तो हमारे पास वो कॉन्फिडेंस था, भाई हाँ भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये माल नहीं है हमारे पास, इसलिए मेरा टारगेट नहीं हुआ। ये मैं मेरे जमाने में मेरा सीईओ को बोल सकता था मैं, क्योंकि हमारे जमाने में मीटिंग्स में हमारा एमडी काला कोट काला सूट पहन के जिस दिन आया उस दिन 2 विकेट जाना ही जाना है।
ओके।
ये डर रहता था हमको, बट वो डर लेके हम मीटिंग में नहीं जाएंगे ऐसा नहीं था। फिर भी हम मीटिंग में जाते थे। We used to face the problems, we used to address our problems, speak up.
Right.
आज के जमाने में क्या हो गया है, we are not able to speak up, we are not able to open up.
Right.
That is the biggest problem in corporates.
Right.
And why? Because there is no responsibility, there is no accountability, there is no question, क्यों नहीं किया, क्यों नहीं किया तो बैक आंसर मिल जाएगा बॉस को, एंड ही हैज टू लुक आउट फॉर अ रिप्लेसमेंट। हमारे जमाने में हम बॉस अगर लेट आता था हम सीधा बोलते थे हमारे साथ काम नहीं करना है।
अच्छा।
इतनी हिम्मत थी हमारे में। अगर हम फील्ड में जाने के बाद हमारे पीछे बॉस आता था, I used to come back home.
Really?
Yes, because that means you are doing policing work.
Right.
You are having doubts on your employee, on your subordinate. When you cannot be on time, then what kind of boss are you?
Correct.
आज के डेट पे वो नहीं है। People are not ready to speak up. People are under pressure. People are under depression. क्योंकि मेरी नौकरी बचाओ या मैं घर का देखूं या मेरी नौकरी देखूं, these are the mindsets which goes on today.
So let's talk about some remedies जो हम आमतौर पे कर सकते हैं।
I can give few tips. The first tip is try getting up during the Brahma Muhurta. Do some spiritual activity. Then I have given the salt thing, rock salt, where you can have your daily shower with rock salt. If that is also not possible, then try daytime or afternoon time or evening time some kind of meditation where it will keep your mind peace and it will give you your stress level some relief, your depression level some relief. Or wear some crystals, consult some healer, consult some coach who can guide you. Be open up so that your problems can get resolved by consulting. Even if you are going through a stressful life, we are ready to help. These are the kind of remedies I can suggest to the corporate world. But they should be open up with transparency to come and talk.
Right.
If they are not ready to come and talk, then we cannot run behind them.
True. Thank you so much, Subbu sir,
Thank
for
you.
sharing this with us and for your valuable time. So thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.
एंड आई एम श्योर हमारे व्यूवर्स को भी ये एपिसोड बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, और आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ शेयर इट विथ योर कॉर्पोरेट फ्रेंड्स, कलीग्स एंड फैमिली। आई एम श्योर इससे बहुत मदद होगी आपको, और जो स्ट्रेस रिड्यूस करने का तरीका है वो आप ज़रूर आजमाइएगा। एंड यू ऑल कैन फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब चैनल। आवर यूट्यूब चैनल नेम इज़ पद्मावती स्पिरिचुअल, और आप सर से अगर आपको बात करनी है तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारी डिटेल्स मेंशन है, जस्ट कमेंट बिलो। थैंक यू। मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में। अंटिल देन, साइली धुर्वे साइनिंग ऑफ। नमस्ते।